Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to upgrade the previous project with an MT converter module. The logic is really simple, because starting from a power bank that alimentates a nylon wire, now between them we have a boost converter module that can now manipulate the voltage. So with more voltage we would have more current and then the temperature will rise. But now let's see how I created this project. The first step is to connect the male USB port to the MT module, and then we're going to solder the out pins with this old recycled iPhone cable. This should work. Before moving on, let's add this little thing to the cable. You will see why later. And now it's time to connect the nylon wire to the cable we are using. And for this job I'm using a terminal block that is one of the easiest way to connect the two wires. The nylon wire is hard to solder with a copper wire. And as in the previous video, I covered the terminal block with a heat shrink tubing. Now let's cover the nylon wire with nylon adhesive patches. And trust me, this wasn't an easy task. Now that we have covered the nylon wire, I want to show you this 3D model that I've created for this project. Actually, I haven't started creating it from scratch, but I've started with this 3D model, as you can see from the photo, that I've took from Thingiverse. And as you can see from the video, I've added this hole that will be helpful to control the module even if you don't have a screwdriver, because I've also created this cap for the trimmer. And as you can see, the little button that I've shown you at the start is helpful because the tension of the wire could easily break the soldering that I have made. Let's finally test this project with a multimeter and with a power bank. In the first measurement, the multimeter tells us a temperature of about 30 degrees. But if we are going to increase the voltage with the trimmer of the module, the multimeter will tell us a temperature of about 40 degrees Celsius. Thank you guys for watching. Tell me what you think in the comment, leave a like or a subscription. And for the next week I think I'm going to upload a video about PCB, so if you're interested, again, leave a subscription and we will see you on the next one.